Hello, my name is Alicia. I'm a rising senior this year at Lindbergh High School, and I also chose the Smart Mirror. I chose this project mainly because it had a mix of hardware engineering, software engineering, and even a little bit of design, which are all fields that I was interested in, and I really wanted to try them all out. So I'll share my screen to show the mirror. So for the modifications, I added a little birthday component under my date that shows the amount of days until someone's birthday, as well as an icon for my weather, and of course music, and a little slideshow. For the birthday, it's made using an array that has the names of everyone's birthday I want to display and their actual birth date using the JavaScript object. And it just shows the number of days until their birthday, but it does update the text the day before their birthday. It'll say that their birthday is tomorrow, and on the day of their birthday, it'll actually say that today is their birthday. And I had a long list of birthdays to add, but I didn't want to clutter up the whole screen. So I made a function that sorts the birthdays in chronological order. And then it updates every day or every night at midnight to make sure the numbers are correct. And then it just displays the birthdays that are coming soon. And another modification I added is a little icon for the weather. So it'll display a different picture of the folder depending on the current status. But however, since I live in California, the only ones I've seen work are the cloudy, sunny, and smoky one. I have no idea if the rainy one works, and I'll probably never find out. And for Spotify, the only modification really is the little playback bar that's made using a 2 pixel tall rectangle that's rounded. And for the slideshow, I originally wanted to use League of Legends API, but we didn't have time. So I found a link to the database that holds all the assets for the game. And this is made using an array that has the IDs of all these images I chose. And every 2 seconds, it picks an item randomly from the array and inserts it into this URL that it just displays in this corner. So for the challenges, mainly, I didn't know any JavaScript or HTML or CSS, only Java and Python. So I basically was completely new to this language, and it was kind of hard to get used to all the syntax. And another thing that was pretty challenging, or at least annoying, was getting the Raspberry Pi to work with my monitor and plug into my computer, because it would either not boot up or it would boot up and half of the screen wouldn't load. So it was just a lot of unplugging and replugging just to get it to turn on, and then it would still freeze and crash a lot. But with the experience from this project, I learned a lot of things, mainly that I don't like hardware engineering. The 15 minutes we spent gluing the monitor and the screen on were the most stressful parts of this project for me, and my hands were shaking. So I definitely do not want to do that in the future. And my favorite part was seeing things respond instantly. You could refresh your code, save it, and your website would change. And it was pretty cool to see my website turn out almost exactly like how I designed when we started the project. And another thing I learned is that assistants can help a lot. I didn't really know anything about using JavaScript or React, but with a really good mentor, even if he doesn't know how to spell, I got a lot of help in office hours and things, and it really helped me with the project.